All right, so this is going to be an updated review of this meat thermometer. We've had this for a little over a year now, and everything on it just works fine still. You just pull out that hinge there, and it starts reading the temperature right away. I'm in quite a warm room, it looks like right now, but I just heated up some water, so we're going to test the temperature of the water and also of my ice cream and see how fast the temperature changes from these things. So here's the water. It is at a toasty 195 degrees. I did have it up to boiling, and it did cool down just a little bit since then, but 196 degrees, so that's the water. Let's see compared to the ice cream. That ice cream is quite a bit less than that. And so it says, keeps on coming down. It's about 10.6, okay, keeps on going. 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So a little bit more. 9.79. So it will eventually stabilize, I'm assuming, at looks like 9 degrees Fahrenheit. So I know this is a meat thermometer, but you can use it to check the temperature of just about anything. Just make sure that you get the tip of the thermometer reader thingy, metal thingy, into whatever you want to measure, and it'll measure right away. So I find it to be accurate. It's like I said, we've been using it for over a year now. It's still working just fine, just like new. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. Works good. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission, and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.